Hello, this is Bryce with Adaptive Agriculture. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to go through a video today and show you the interaction between temp and humidity and the heater control. So let's get right to it. If you follow me over to the devices, we'll check out our south yard and we'll just go down all the way to view device. So as you see here, the heater control state is on. We keep it to auto and it'll flick on and off as needed. The way this is told to flick on and off is done through the temp and humidity card. You can see here it's measuring in 16 minutes, and this is also measuring in 16 minutes. And this just says toggling heater control on when. So temperature is below 35 degrees Celsius. So you can actually go into the settings of that, and you can see that when temperature is below 35, the result is toggle heater control on. That's how you see the interaction between temp, humidity, and heater control. What we're also going to do is go into the more details on temp and humidity and explain this component a little bit better. Up at the top, there's temperature. You can see on the left side, it'll show the temperatures, and on the bottom, it'll show time of day. So you can actually scroll down and see this little black bar that will tell you yesterday at 6:13 p.m. it was 21 degrees. Today at 9:34 it was 22 degrees, so it actually bumped up. Typically, when the temperature bumps up, the humidity bumps down. It was 57 relative humidity, and now it is 53 relative humidity. Additionally, you can go all the way down to the bottom and look at all of the data, and you can see timestamps of when it was. So 25 minutes ago, the temperature was 22 with 53 humidity. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments section, and I'll be sure to address them. And if you like the video, found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a fantastic day.